Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, because today we're diving into a red-hot retro beauty that looks like it rolled straight out of your dad's 1989 road trip photo album and directly into your over-budget Craigslist search history. The Titian Red 1989 VW Vanagon Westfalia Camper. And let me tell you, this thing is so charming, even my neighbor Todd, who thinks a camper is just a mattress in the back of a Dodge Caravan, gave it a respectful nod. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. This Westfalia ain't just a pretty face. Underneath that retro Titian Red metallic paint, which I believe looks like strawberry jam on a Sunday morning, you're getting a camper that's been babied, pampered, and possibly fed better meals than I have. Originally born in 1989, it sports the iconic fiberglass Westfalia pop-up roof, perfect for stretching out after a long day of pretending to be outdoorsy. Powering this cheerful box on wheels is a 2.2-liter flat-4 horizontal engine, neatly tucked under the rear floor like a secret stash of camping snacks. The best part? This engine has only 4,600 miles, 7,403 kilometers on it. So it's basically still in the break-in phase, unlike me, who breaks down after 10 minutes of assembling a folding chair. It's mated to an automatic transmission for smooth cruising, because let's be honest, nobody wants to fight a manual in the middle of a campground parking lot. Inside, you've got light gray upholstery, a full camper interior setup with cabinetry, a stove, sink, and that cozy tiny home vibe that makes you want to knit your own curtains. Now let's talk miles. This Vanagon's odometer reads 170,206 miles, around 274,000 kilometers, which means it's seen more sunrises than your average Instagram influencer. But brace yourselves, because here comes the wallet kicker. It's listed for $59,900. Roughly 55,800 euros. That's right, nearly 60 grand. You could buy a small yacht or a used Tesla, but can either of those make instant noodles in a pull-out kitchenette next to a pop-top bed? I didn't think so. I think what I like the most about this camper is how it balances nostalgia with functionality. It's not just a showpiece, it's road-ready and outfitted for real adventure, even if your idea of camping is parking at Whole Foods and pretending it's a trailhead.